Hi guys, welcome back to the Quick Bits. In today's video, we're gonna go over how to do find and replace in Excel. As an example, let's look at this table right here. We have names and numbers. So like it could be student name and grade that they got, right? So let's assume that it's like a huge table and we want to find certain names, right? So in this case, let's say we want to find Caitlin and Caitlin, right? Like we want to see all the occurrences of Caitlin. Let's say we misspelled it, right? So in order to do that in Excel is basically all you have to do is just go to this find and select button. You press on it, press find. Then you can just type the name that you're looking for. So in this case is Caitlin, right? You can press find. You'll see that it will jump where you want it to. And if you press again, it'll jump to the second choice, right? So this is one thing that you can do, right? So then let's look at a different example. Let's say we want to replace all the numbers like 120th, right? Let's say we miscalculated something and the 120th should be 100. 100 is the top grade that we can get. We cannot get 120, right? So let's say we want to replace all the occurrences over 120. How do we do that? In order to do that, you can press again find and select and press replace this time. Now what you can do, you can type 120 and replace it with 100. So then you can either press replace, that will just replace first found 120, right? Or we can just click replace all, that would replace all occurrences of them. Boom, it says, you even told us, right, all done, we made 2 replacements. All right, I hope you guys like this feature of Excel. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, that will help me a lot. Thank you.